Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get GameMaker Standard Edition 8.1 with this patch here. I will provide a link in the description with this file which has all you need to do this. Today I'm not only going to show you how to actually install and crack the program, but I'm going to show you the fix to the problem of the program, because a lot of people have had comments about, oh, my program says you can't run it after you do specific things. Well, I'm going to show you guys how to fix that and all that good junk today. So let's start with, opening up the program. We'll install the program, all that good stuff. Alright, it is installed, start it off. To get the patch, just, double click this. That'll update, by the way. To get the patch, double click this, just extract the patch, just drag it onto your desktop. I do use WinRAR, you can use 7-zip or whatever, as long as it's the same way of getting the files to your desktop. Alright, so what we've got here is you go to help, go to about GameMaker, and you'll see we're running light, and it says we can buy it. Now what we do is, I'm just gonna kind of close this out. Double click the patch. Yes, it has some weird music. That's it. That's all it takes to patch the actual program. That's fairly simple. It's pretty easy. It's really straightforward. But there is a couple of things to it. Oops, I got two of those. No, I guess I didn't. Crud. I'll show you that we have, see, standard edition now. There is a couple of things. We'll say we want to create a new game. Alright. Right now, you must have a room. I've already got a couple of games that is on my desktop, and I will show you what happens and why people have this problem, and I'll show you how to fix the problem. Okay, right now this game works just fine. STG Games, that's my little game name, if you will. I created just this small tower defense game. Works pretty simple. I like good jazz. Works fine, as you can see. Alright. What if we'll say we want to create another sprite? Alright, we'll call him Enemy 3. Alright, so we have Enemy 3 here. Now, what if I want to try the game again? Okay, so it works. Alright, so now we make him we'll make him a little circle, if you will, because most of my enemies are pretty simply drawn. They're just, boom, boom, boom. Give him a weird little face. Give him a couple of this. Get that evil eyebrow kind of appeal to him. Alright, he's pretty cool looking. Now, we'll say we want him in this game. We'll just, this is the wrong room. We'll say we want him in a random place, which is, wrong guy. We'll put him, what was his name? Enemy 3. Oh right, he has to be an object first, I'm sorry. Alright, create him an object. Enemy 3. Enemy 3 is here. Enemy 3. And we'll give him just the basics of this all. Actually, we don't even need to. I just need to place him, I believe. Alright. Now you get this. You get this error that said, error creating standalone. cannot find valid runner data. Alright, so what this is this pretty much means because your system is cracked and you created a new object, it won't allow you to run it because it recognized that your files are they're basically, it corrupts the files and makes it so you can't run it again. So this is a problem because the only way you can do it, and this happens by the way whenever you make objects or anything like that, it's just the way that it works, because it should by rights work again if you keep all the values the same and don't change any of the settings or anything like that in the game. Alright, so how we fix this, let's see. Yep, how we fix this is we exit this out. Game has been changed, save changes, yes. Gonna double check to make sure that this game still isn't working properly. Game 1. Okay, still doesn't work. So what we do is I've created this shortcut file, and all I have to do is I double click this and it brings me to this. Now you're not going to be able to do this because I won't be able to copy this because it's to my hard drive, so I'll show you how to do this. What you do is you go app or %, app, data, %, go to your roaming folder, scroll down to find GameMaker, and if you look through here, this is the file that gets corrupted. This file, you have to delete this file in order to make your game work properly. What you do is every time you add an object or you add a series of objects, I personally add like half the game, and then I'll do this to do my testing, but what you do is you delete it. And I have the original copy right here, which I will provide. And all you do is you take the original and you copy it back in. And this actually fixes all your problems. That's why I have a safety copy, as it says. I copy and paste it, and I delete that one, paste it in, and let me show you. Your game will work perfect. See? So there you go. That's your fix to the standalone problem for GameMaker. And the game still works perfect. There we go. Comment, subscribe, tell me if you need something else, problem with the crack or whatever. I will do my best to help you figure it out. Alright, thanks for watching.